Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to back up your WhatsApp chat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now press on three dots and go to settings. Now here you can see chats. Press on this. Now scroll down. Now go to chat backup. If you want to back up your chat, then press on this backup option. That's it. So this is how to back up your WhatsApp chat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.